number 213. It is a numerical question. The question is, draw a schematic diagram of a circuit consisting of a battery of 3 cells of 2 volt each, a 5 ohm resistor, an 8 ohm resistor and 12 ohm resistor, and a plug key all connected in series. The question is, draw a schematic diagram of circuit consisting of a battery of 3 cells of 2 volt each. So you can also start doing. First we have to draw a battery of 3 cells of 2 volt each. Draw a schematic diagram of a circuit consisting of a battery of 3 cells of 2 volt each. So 3 cells are drawn. It is given each cell is 2 volt. So 3 cells will be 6 volt. Total will be 6 volt. Then it is given 5 ohm, 8 ohm and 12 ohm resistors and a plug key, all are connected in series. Plug key we can connect somewhere here. A 5 ohm resistor, 8 ohm resistor and 12 ohm resistor, means 3 resistors are there. All are connected in series. The question is to draw a schematic diagram of 3 cells of 2 volt each, means total 6 volt, 3 into 2. And a plug key, 5 ohm resistor, 8 ohm resistor and 12 ohm. All are connected in series. Now second question also related to this one. Redraw the circuit of question number 1. Putting an ammeter to measure current through the resistors and also voltmeter to measure the potential difference across the 12 ohm resistor. What would be the readings in the ammeter and voltmeter? So we have to redraw this diagram. Redraw this diagram by connecting an ammeter to measure the current in the circuit. Ammeter we can connect anywhere. How can we connect an ammeter? In series. So we can connect anywhere. You can connect ammeter here, this point, this point, this point here, this point. Everywhere it will give the same reading only, isn't it? So right now I am connecting at this point. I may connect the ammeter here to read the current. This side of the ammeter should be positive because here is cell positive and this should be negative. The ammeter negative should come to negative of the cell here and ammeter positive should go to the positive of the cell here. This longer line is positive, the short line is negative. Then also we have to connect a voltmeter across 12 ohm resistor. How can we connect voltmeter in a circuit?
Parallel.
Yeah, so here we should connect parallel to 12 ohm because we need to measure the potential difference across 12 ohm resistor. So we'll connect a voltmeter parallel to 12 ohm resistor. Parallel to 12 ohm resistor, we'll connect a voltmeter like this. This voltmeter, it is connected parallel to 12 ohm resistor. So here voltmeter also there is positive terminal. This should be positive terminal. Then that positive should come to the positive of the cell here. And here is negative terminal, means black colored negative terminal should be connected to the negative of the cell. Positive to positive of the cell, this positive to positive of the cell, negative to negative of the cell. This is the connection. Now in the second question, first part is over. Redraw the diagram by connecting an ammeter to measure the current and potential, voltmeter to measure the potential difference across 12 ohm resistor. Here a voltmeter is connected parallel to 12 ohm resistor to measure the potential difference across this one, voltmeter. Now what would be the readings in the ammeter and voltmeter? To find out the ammeter reading and voltmeter reading, first we need to find out which quantity.
First we have to find the resistance.
Yeah, very good. We have to find the total resistance in the circuit. That is R series. It is series combination. What is the equation for resistors in series? Equation for equivalent resistance of resistances connected in series. Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Here we have 3 resistors, so we can write R1 plus R2 plus R3. Then substitute the values. R series equal to, if Rs is the equivalent resistance of the combination, that is equal to R1 is how much? 5 ohm plus 8 ohm plus 12 ohm is equal to how much? 25 ohm. So the total resistance in the circuit is equivalent resistance is 25 ohm. What is the total potential difference? 3 cells of 2 volt each, so 6 volt is the potential difference. Then we can find the current reading, ammeter reading. Ammeter reading is current. Current I is equal to what? I is equal to V by R. I is equal to V by R. Here V is 6 volt. Total potential in the circuit is 6 volt. And we got the total resistance 25 ohm. What is the value? Answer of this one? 0.24 ampere. The same will be the current flowing through all resistors, isn't it? You remember in series combination current will be same. Same 0.24 ampere will be flowing through 5 ohm resistor, 8 ohm and 12 ohm. Now the second question is, what is a voltmeter reading? Which equation we have to use for voltmeter reading? V is equal to?
Current into resistance.
V equal to I into R. Okay. I is same for all. That is this one 0.24. R, which value we have to take? We are finding only volt potential difference across this one. So we have to take only this resistance. Okay. That is the main point here. To find the potential difference across a resistor in a series circuit, you need to apply only that particular resistance. Don't take these two. Only this one. So then you will get the potential difference across this 12 ohm. That is V is equal to I is 0.24. 0.24 into R is 12 volt, 2.88 volt. Means out of the total 6 volt of the battery, 2.88 is dropped here. The remaining will be dropped across this 8 and 5. If you add the voltage across 5, 8 and 12 all together, you will get 6 volt. Got it?